Hello, dynamic educators. Ready to add some rhythm and beats to your English lessons? Today, we're diving into a thrilling listening activity that will not only spice up your class, but also reinforce grammar points in a fun and engaging way. Welcome to the GrammaClip Challenge, featuring Beautiful Things by Benson Boone. Let's make grammar and listening an adventure. This activity is designed to breathe life into your English teaching sessions, making grammar review exciting through music. Whether you're tackling the simple past, present continuous, or adjectives, we've got you covered. Ready for some fun? Here's how it works. First, divide your students into pairs or trios. They're about to embark on a musical journey, listening to snippets from Beautiful Things. And yes, for those teaching online, a chat box will be your student's best friend for this activity. Before each clip plays, make sure your students know what to listen for. Ask them for examples of the target vocabulary or grammar structures to ensure they're on the right track. Each team gets 3 chances to catch the right words. Play the first clip 3 times and have them jot down their answers. Remember, attention to detail is key here. After each round, check the answers and award points. The excitement builds as students eagerly await to see if they've caught the correct words. Continue with the remaining clips, following the same steps. In the end, tally the scores to find out which team reigns supreme in the GrammaClip Challenge. Excited to try this out? Head over to our blog, Song Activity Factory, for the GrammaClip challenges you can play right now with your students, featuring not only Beautiful Things by Benson Boone, but also Flowers by Miley Cyrus. It's time to transform your English classes into a thrilling musical quest.